Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start an indoor plant business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Now, before we start an indoor plant business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Step 1. Source your plants. You can't sell plants until you have some. As a result, the natural first step in starting your online plant business is locating the appropriate plants for your store. At this stage, there are a few things to consider, such as: what plants will you sell and who will supply them? How much do you want and need to spend on plants? How dependable do you require your supplier to be? How much time and money do you want to invest in growing and maintaining plants yourself? To get you started, here are some plant supply options to consider. The first option is to grow your own. Growing your own plants to sell is an excellent option if you want complete control over your supply. It also enables you to expand what you know your customers want to buy while limiting the additional cost and confusion of working with multiple suppliers to meet demand. If you decide to grow your own plants, you must carefully calculate the equipment and time investment required. Buying from a wholesaler or a local nursery can often be less expensive because they can grow plants at a lower cost. Growing your own is also a good option if you intend to target the higher end of the market, as you can personally communicate the origin story of each plant, as well as demonstrate the love and attention that has gone into growing them. The second option is to collaborate with a wholesaler. Working with a plant wholesaler, such as Grow and Sell, is an excellent option, especially if you need quick access to a large number of plants at a low cost. However, unlike when you grow your own plants, you will be limited to selling the plants that the wholesaler has available at any given time, limiting what your online store can offer and your ability to meet customer demands. Third option is to work with a local nursery. Working with a local nursery can provide a number of advantages. For example, they will frequently have a good supply of plants available at a competitive price, allowing you to make more profit on each sale. If you buy plants from them on a regular basis, you will most likely be able to influence what they grow, allowing you to better meet customer demand without having to invest in the equipment required to grow your own. Step 2. Determine where you will sell your plants online. When you decide to sell plants online, you have several options, including building your own e-commerce store, online marketplaces, and social selling platforms. Setting up your store on trusted and simple-to-use platforms like Wix, Shopify, or BigCommerce is the most established way to sell anything online. By utilizing these platforms, you can keep a good level of control over your brand and sales. The ongoing fees associated with making sales on these platforms are frequently lower than on other options, such as online marketplaces. However, keep in mind that creating your own e-commerce store often necessitates an upfront cost to set up the website, as well as ongoing marketing to keep traffic flowing to it. Online marketplaces such as eBay and Etsy provide another option for selling your plants online. These platforms can be a great place to start because they have pre-built audiences and will essentially promote and market your store for you. When you sell through an online marketplace, the fees are usually high, making it more difficult to make a profit on your plants. Many businesses with an online store will use these marketplaces to reach new audiences, but not as their primary e-commerce channel. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram can help you reach your target audience in places where they already spend a lot of their time. Selling on social media is especially advantageous for brands that have already established a strong presence on these platforms, as it allows them to capitalize on the attention they have already earned there and turn it into profit. Many social platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, now allow in-app purchases, making this much easier. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start an indoor plant business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.